taking a little break. And I guess this is a typical sort of place where you can camp just by the road. See, that chap has got a camp there, and completely free, you know, just at the roadside. Fantastic scene. I mean, look at that. That is brilliant. Got the water, fairly calm waters, nice bit of openness, and a reasonably clean place to have your camping. Excellent. Honda NC750 XDCT. Excellent bike for the trip. I might be a little bit over packed with my luggage. Look at that, man. Blimey. But considering what I have inside, it's not bad. All of this side, unfortunately, is food. All of this side is my winter stuff if I need it, including my toolkit, various bits and pieces. I can adjust a chain, I can mend a puncture. I've got my pump in there, I've got my battery booster in there. In here I've got my tent, my mattress, my what's the third thing, the sleeping bag, and in here I've got a bag full of clothes, and there's a lot of other crap that I have put in here, including also the hiking sticks, a bench, not a bench, a stool, yeah. And I think this bit could have been a little bit optimized, but anyway, that's where we are. Okay, the maps are struggling a little bit. You see, that has just switched off. I don't know why. I don't know what it's doing. So there's my phone in here. Don't know what's going on. Let me just figure out what's going on here. Okay. So I don't know if you can see the screen. That's I've got 3 hours and 10 minutes, 244 kilometers. I should get to the place. Right now the time is 11:30, and yeah, just about 2:45 I should get there. Yeah, this red line, if you can see it, is the border, and I'm not going to be very far from the border. So that's the trip today. Okay, there's various campsites around it, you know. This is a campsite, that's a campsite, that's a campsite. Yeah, I haven't booked anything today, so we'll find out. Okay. Check out this car, man. No idea what that is, but it looks beautiful, man. And the man seems to be enjoying himself. He's got the cowboy hat. I'm going to overtake him here, I think. Nope, not going to do that. Need a straight patch of road with a clear sight so I can overtake him. Okay, this will do. Look at this beautiful view. And that's just at the roadside. Beautiful scene here. Imagine living in one of those houses, what the life will be like if you were living there. Hey, would you like to live here? Tell me in the comments. Why not, eh? Why not? Well, possibly the first sight of mountainous area as I travel further north. I think I'm gonna get blown away with the scenery in Norway. These roads are fantastic. This is a really nice road. Nice, open, not a lot of traffic. You know, look at that, man. Wow. And interestingly, not many bikers either. Doesn't seem to be end of these lakes and the waters. Just turn left into this road. I think this is even smaller road, possibly even better in terms of scenery and the ride itself. It's a little bit slower road though, but yeah, it's got a bit of character as well. Just stretching my legs here again. Bike is doing fantastic, and look at this scene. Another fantastic view. There is a river here. That's the name of the river. I think it's underneath here right now. Very long river. Very long river. I think it goes all the way to Norway. I'm going to be riding up north next to that river for a very long time. I think all the way to Norway, I believe. And I have more than 144 kilometers that on this road, straight road, no turns. Stopping here for see what's available for lunch. Couple of other bikers, chap from Netherlands, couple of chaps from Netherlands. Beautiful church there. Okay, let's have a look.